Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to create a good video in the AI video niche using VSub.io. After logging into the site, select the AI video template. Next, choose the language in which you want to create the video. In the next step, you choose one of the available templates. You have 9 different templates to choose from, so match your choice to your video. This time, I will choose Cinematic. Below the templates, you have a section designated for your video script. There are 3 tabs: Transcript, Settings, and Script Generator. We will discuss each of them further. Here you can choose between a standard video and a musical one. If you choose the standard option, you can paste your copied script below in the transcript section or upload an audio file from which the script should be extracted in the or use audio file section. Below the section for manually pasting the script or using audio, there is another option called Provide Additional Context for Image Generation. This is intended to help the AI generator create your images more accurately. For example, in ancient Egyptian mythology, in ancient China, quantum world. And if you decide to go for the musical version of the video, you only need 2 things. Audio. Here you paste the file for your musical audio, which you can generate, for example, on Choose AI. Song lyrics. Here you paste the lyrics of your song. You can copy them from Choose AI so that VSub can generate subtitles based on them. There is also an option that allows you to generate your own script using AI. However, before you proceed to generate the script, in Type, you choose the category of your future script from the list. Or you can upload another good video, and the generator will create a similar story. Remember, generating a script using the script generator costs 20 credits. In the Settings tab, located between Transcript and Script Generator, we choose the voice that will read the script. You don't change anything here if you previously selected a musical video. And if you want to add a voice from 11 Labs that is not on this list, click on Plus Voice and paste the link from the 11 Labs library. Below, we have the Auto Remove Silence option, which removes silent moments in the generated voice. I recommend selecting this option. Size refers to the dimensions of our video. We can choose between Portrait for TikTok and Landscape for YouTube longform. Image Duration Level specifies the number of seconds per generated image. The lower the level, the faster the images will change. Level 1 is about 3 seconds per image, while Level 3 is about 9 seconds per image. Once you've made your selections, click Continue. At this point, your video will begin to generate. The wait time depends on the length of your script. Now we move on to customizing the video. In the Content tab, you will see the images generated for you by the AI. In this section, we have 3 options that we can use. The first 2 options are located just below each generated image. This button allows you to regenerate your image. After clicking on it, you will see the prompt used to create the image, and you can edit it yourself before generating it again. Change allows you to upload your own photo to replace the one generated by the AI. The Download Images option downloads all the generated images to your computer. In the Settings tab, we can adjust the voice and pitch of our voice. In the Effects tab, you can change the background effect and the way the images scroll. The Transition option allows you to choose between Smooth and Strong Swipe. You can also add the Particles background effect. Music is the last tab in the AI video section. Here, you can add background music to your video. However, we recommend adding music directly on TikTok/YouTube. In the Subtitles tab, you can edit the generated text and add emojis to it. You don't edit the subtitle style here, that is done in the next tab. After clicking here, you can choose emojis from the list, upload custom ones, or click Suggest to automatically generate emojis that match the text. In the Styles category, you can choose from existing templates and then configure the appearance of your subtitles. Let's start with the Templates tab, and then we'll return to Customization. In Templates, you have a choice of 12 different text templates. After clicking on a specific template, you will see how it looks on the right side in the preview. Remember, changing the template will force regenerate subtitles, remove all emojis, and custom settings on subtitle lines. After choosing a template, we move on to Customization. In this section, we have many options, so let's go through each of them now. In Font, we have the basics. We choose the text font, its size, whether it should be uppercase, its color, and text alignment. In Decoration, we have 4 text effects to set up. Stroke. We choose whether we want it at all, then its color, size, and additionally, we can also select an outline and its color. Shadow, similarly, we choose whether we want it and then select its color and size. Background. Then we choose whether we want a background color for our subtitles. If so, we set its color area, whether it should cover only one word or all displayed words, size, and positioning. Brighten. We decide whether we want to brighten our text, and if so, we choose the intensity. In Active, you change the settings exclusively for the active word, that is the word currently being spoken by the narrator. You can change its color, size, and stroke. And in Emoji, you can change the position where the emojis appear and their size. In Effects, you can apply effects to your subtitles. Auto Move enables movement for your subtitles. Auto Rotate tilts your subtitles in different directions. In Effect Type, you choose one of 3 options that you like the most. Remember, you can preview everything immediately on the right in the preview. In Effect Target, you select whether you want to apply the effect to a specific word or the entire line. In Words, you set how your subtitles will appear, whether all at once, line by line, or word by word. The Line Space option allows us to adjust the spacing between lines of text. In Position, you simply position your subtitles. In Limit, you set the maximum number of words per line and the maximum number of lines to be displayed. If you want only one word to appear on the screen at a time, set both values to 1 and 1. You can also save your current settings to use them in the future. Just press Save As. In the last tab, Tools, you can upload your logo or a watermark and adjust its size, position, and transparency. Once your video is prepared, you can download it and publish it on your social media. Now let's watch the video.
Get ready for some mind-blowing geography facts. Did you know the smallest country by land area is Vatican City? Nestled in the heart of Rome, it's only 0.2 square miles, and its population usually hovers around just 8.